Hare Krishna, dear all. Jai Jagannath. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am starting a new series on perfect deity crown. In part 1, I will show you how to take accurate measurements for Jagannath's crown and how to stitch the perfect crown base. You know what? A correct base is the secret for a beautiful standing crown. So let's begin. The measurements we needed: head circumference, crown height, top width. So now let's start with the head circumference. So you take a measuring tape and you measure around the head. You need to place it on straight to the nose, direct top on the tip, and you will get the head circumference. Make sure that you place it very neatly around the head. So it is 9 inches. My deities are 6 inches. So the head circumference is 9 inches. Now let's decide on the crown height. This is very important. So generally we need to take 1 inch below from the tip of the head. Okay, so the starting point. Okay, so I am taking from 1 inch. I have placed 1 inch. Below I am taking 1 inch and above I am going to take 1 inch. So my crown height is going to be 2 inches in height. Why am I taking 2 inches height? Okay, I will let you know later. Now we are going to take the top length. Okay, so the top length or the width, you can call it anyway. So you got to take from this corner to the left corner to the right corner. So that is the top length and it is 3 inches. Let me write it down in a paper because there is a simple calculation to be done. Jagannath's crown measurement, head circumference was 9 inches. Crown height we are going to take 2 inches. And the top length was 3 inches. Now let's calculate how to calculate the fabric length and width. Okay, so for the fabric's length, it's a simple formula we need to follow. It is head circumference into 2 plus the top length. Okay, understood? It is the head circumference into 2 plus top length. Let me repeat it again. It is head circumference into 2 plus top length. Okay, so head circumference. So how much is our head circumference? Our head circumference is 9 inches, correct? So let's calculate. 9 inches into 2 plus top length. Okay, so how much was our top length? It was 3, correct? So how much is it? 18 plus 3 is 21 inches. So the total fabric length we need to take 21 inches. Understood, dear devotees? Now let's calculate the fabric width. So fabric width, it is the crown height into 3. So why 3 times? Because we need to fold the fabric. We need to get it a thick base. So we need to multiply into 3 times and take 2 into 3 in 3. So it is going to be 6 inches. So total fabric width is going to be 6 inches. I hope you all understood still now. So now let's see. Now let's see how we will take the fabric and start stitching the base. So here I am taking 20 inches length fabric. Okay, so it was 21 inches. Since I had 20 inches, I'm taking 20 inches. So here 1 inch here and there is fine. Okay, after the fabric I'm using a base, that is the buckram. I'm taking the crown height, that is 2 inches, and I'm also using a foam sheet that is of 2 inches. The width, again I've taken little more because I want a thick base, a thick steady base. Okay, so you place the buckram in the middle of the fabric. You also place the foam sheets fold it, cover the raw edges and give a stitch. You can either hem it in the hand or you can give a machine stitch. I've given a machine stitch. Okay, I hope you all understood. Okay, see, the buckram and the foam sheets are placed inside the base. Now our base band is ready. Now let's see, head circumference we said 9 inches, right? So now how will we get the crown shape? I'm taking a base which has 9 inches circumference, something in circular. You can use a glass, you can use a bottle, but I have specially kept it for this crown measurement. I don't use it for other anything. Okay, so this is 9 inches base I have taken. So this bottle is going to help me to get the shape of the crown. Okay, so head circumference and top length, right? So we will see why is that top length we took. We added the top length. We will understand that. Okay, now in the Jagannath's shape, it is in the rectangular shape, right? It's somewhat like a triangle and rectangle. So what happens, that 3 inches which we added, the top length which we measured and we added, and here this is in a circular shape, correct? It is nice round, but here the top length we took 3 inches, right? Okay, and if you see the base of the bottle, it is only 2.5 inches, almost 2.5 inches. So your crown will become small if you don't have that top length. Okay, so when you add the top length, you need to expand it till for the 3 inches, correct? So that time it will get adjusted over here. That is the reason we add the top length. Now let's see how to fold and stitch the crown base. In the bottle, take it and you need to slide it in a X shape. Okay, so there is a V shape over there, and then you fold it on the base and you keep it. You secure it from all the corners. Okay, so when you secure it from all the corners, you can start a simple hemming which you can do to secure the two joints. Okay, as I'm doing in the video, you all can follow it, and please don't move it here and there. Okay, so when you move it here and there, the shape of the crown goes off. So you can simply stitch it and hem it. It's basically a blind hem you can give, or a simple hemming you can do, and you can secure the two joints. So here again what you need to note. So once you are approaching, there are going to be 3 pieces, correct? 2 from top and 1 from the base. So you need to join even the base to the 2 pieces so that it is secured and it does not move, and the shape is, see, look, I have secured it. Okay, so now you can either remove it, take it out from the bottle and stitch it, or you can just directly stitch it like that. If you are a fresher, if you are starting it for the very first time, please keep it in the bottle only and try stitching it. Okay, so now I'm in for the raw edges, I am giving a buttonhole stitch. So when I'm giving a buttonhole stitch, it secures the raw edges, does not rip off. Okay, so I'm just giving a buttonhole stitch so that my raw edges are secured. Now again you can fit it, as I told you. If you are a fresher, please don't take it out from the bottle and stitch it, because the shape will go away and it will not look good. So here, as you come, you need to come only till that opening. Okay, you in the sides, don't stitch till the front, it will look very odd. So when you come and you just secure that little opening which you can see. Once you stitch it, it will get closed and it gives a neat finish. Just stop it where the point meets. Enough. That is more than enough. Now we have finished in the one side, and the same thing you follow for the next side also. Buttonhole stitch, and you start stitching in the side and stop where the 2 pieces meet. So we have approached the two ends meeting, and now we will secure it with a knot. Now your perfect crown base is ready. You can see there is no gap anywhere. There is a neat finish and there is no gaps anywhere. Okay, so now come, let's try it on our lordship. So when you put it perfect, can you see it is perfect? It is perfectly securing behind also, and it is perfectly fitting. Okay, so the main thing is that you need to take the top length, add it to your fabric's head circumference, and your perfect base crown is ready. So this is how you take accurate Jagannath crown measurements and make a strong clean base. In part 2 we will start decorating the crown with stones, lace, pearls and frills, and also I will tell you what is the mistakes we do during the crown base. Okay, so I will also tell you the mistakes to be avoided, tips and tricks to accurately calculate the crown height. Thank you. Hare Krishna.